Hey everyone, this is me Komal and today I will tell you that how can you get more marks in just less study. So let's get started. All of you welcome to my channel and if you are already with my channel then welcome back to my channel. So I will tell you that how can you get more marks in just less study. I have to get 10 points. By using that points you can get more marks. Our first point that is manage your time properly because everybody has 24 hours but any student can become topper student, any student can become average student. On the other hand, any student can be fail also and any student can be below average also. So what's the secret there? The secret that is to manage your time properly. By managing your time, you can become topper and you can get more marks. The second point that is stay calm and focused. We all know guys that in today's era, becoming focused is an extraordinary work for the people. But this is not reality because by using some tips and tricks, you can be focused. And in this distractions world, the mobile phone, social media is the biggest distraction for us. By using these things, we cannot focus at our studies. So because of that, we will have to live very far from these distractions so that we can be calm and focus towards our study. And a third point that is stay healthy. If you are not healthy, then how can you get more marks and how will you study for a long time? I will tell you my story. When I was studying in my 12th class, then I am suffering from typhoid and because of that typhoid, I have survived my 15 to 20 days in the hospital. Let me tell you guys, my at that a lot of time has wasted at that time. Why? Because I was not healthy and I feel very regret for that thing. So I will telling you that you live healthy if you wanted to get more marks. How is this related with each other? It is related because if you will be healthy, then you can study for a long time without distraction and without happening anything. And if you are not healthy, then you will think that when you are gonna to study, then you will sleep as like this. Oh, I'm not healthy. I'm suffering from. I'm under the weather. I'm suffering from fever and you cannot study a lot. So because of that, you can be healthy as well. Our fourth point that is take mock test. If you are studying a lot, then it will be beneficial for you. But when you are not giving mock test, then how can you say that I will get more marks? It may be possible na that you are studying a lot and something you are forgetting at one side. One side you are studying and one side you are forgetting that thing. Because of that, you should conduct your mock test and you should give your mock test. So at that time, you will be able to know that where is you are doing mistake where. Our first point that is be confident. Without confidence, you can't be do anything. As like you people have seen that I'm speaking English, but I'm not speaking English very well and very fluent. But you can see that I'm speaking properly and anybody can understand me. Will it happen without confidence? No, it cannot be possible. You always remember that you can, you will, and you must be a winner if you are confident and you are studying for some time. But at that time, you will be able to get more marks because you have studied important topics, important chapters, important questions. You will think as like this. Our sixth point that is read question carefully. What will be happen with the help of this? It is very beneficial for us because if you read any question carefully, it may be possible that it will be your previous year question, it will be your question which is given in the book. Then you will be able to know that oh, what is asking in this question and how can I give this answer properly and in the right manner, so that when our examiner see our copy, then he gives us more marks. And the seventh point, that is make a habit to write. Listen me carefully. If you are listening anything, you are speaking anything, but you are not writing at that time, so how can you say that I will get more marks? No. But after some time, when you wanted to revise that things, then you will be not able to learn that thing because you have not written that thing. We can see that if anybody, let me tell you, I'm giving you a task. You have to listen one thing, you have to see or watch or look anything, and you have to speak anything. And with that, at the other hand, you have to speak, listen, and see, and with write anything. Then you tell me, after doing this practice, when time you will be more confident and you will be able to remember more things. I'm sure that you will be second type of person who is writing and learning more things. So it's important that you become your habit for writing. Our eighth point, that is read a little every day. We know that a drop, a small drop can fill a pitcher. Why? Because if you are, let me tell you, if you are studying 8 hours in a day, and the other hand you are studying for 2 hours in a day, but at the first condition you study 8 hours and after some days you stopped studying and you said that I have studied a lot, I did not to study anything. At the other hand, you are studying daily 2 to 3 to 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours, and you are not stopping, you are continuing studying. You are thinking that first case I will get more marks. No, my dear friends, it will not be possible, because if you are stopped, then you will not able to memorize that things. And at the second case, if you are continuously studying, you are continuously learning anything, then it will be running in your mind. You can be meditate that thing, you can be study, learn for a long time for that things. So because of that, it will be very helpful to you. Our ninth point, that is learn from your mistakes. I know that when you are studying a lot, then you are doing mistakes actually, but do not consider it as a mistakes and do not consider it as a problem. Why? Because if God is given you a problem, then you know why. Do not angry with him. Do not say that God, you are giving us problems. This is not good for us. My dear friends, let me tell you that if God is giving you problems, then problems are not problems. But to understand a problem as a problem is the main problem. Why? Because problems are not problems. Problems are the opportunity. Problems are the opportunity to learn anything. Problems are the opportunity to start anything new. So because of that, learn from your mistakes. If you are doing any question again and again mistakenly, you are not able to solve that question. Do for a long time that question. Do that question again and again, solve that question again and again. After that, one day you will be definitely able to solve that question, and at that time it can be possible that you will have to learn at one step at that question actually. Our 10th and the last point, that is keep a positive attitude. Why? Because if you are thinking anything, if you are taking anything in a negative manner, then you will be not a good person in your life. You will be always feel sad. Oh, I have these problems. Oh, I have that problems. Oh, I have this problems. Oh, I have those. I have so many problems. I have a lot of problems. But my dear friends, let me tell you that you should keep a positive thinking, because if you are taking anything in a positive manner, it will make your life easy as you are thinking. So this is all about my whole video, and I hope guys that you all will be able to understood it and start your topper becoming journey with a topper. Or because of that, what you people have to do, you should subscribe the channel and you should like the video, share with your only one friend, because I know you people does not share my videos anytime. So share with your only one friend. And if there is any doubt in your mind, then you can comment me. Take care. Bye bye.